me your high tide.
What's up, YouTubers, and welcome back to KN8. Today we are going to be making our own candle, and we are not sponsored by this product. We are just viewing. So we're going to just open it up and tell us what our things to use is. So it's this type of, I don't know what this is. It's like little rock sands of whiteness. It's actually like smell good for the candle. It's called Magnolia. You can see Magnolia. Then this bluish, it's like a light greenish blue. And just to let you know, guys, we are making this one the green. So it's just like this bluish green. I don't know. It's a coastal breeze. It's different types of these. You can get the pink, the blue, the red and orange, and the what's this? Green. And then we have this dark blue-ish. We're not doing the blue. And this is called Fresh Linen. Not lime. So we have our three. So I'm gonna put the blue one in first, the white one in second, and then this one. So then here's our candle. Cut off the leak right here. Make sure it's in the middle. The leak. Okay. So it says fill in the wick jar with scented granules. So I'm going to put in what it says on the bottom. I really want to follow the instructions. So we're not going to pour too much. It's really a lot to pour out. Okay, I poured that in. You see how it looks. Here it is. It's very nice, very detailed. I think that's the lightish blue. Yeah, I'm going to use the light. This light right here. It's very detailed too. I like that. I like how these colors are actually mixing in with this white. I think it's a lot of blue. Yeah, it's a kind of mixture of blue. Okay, I'm just gonna swirl this around so it can get mixed up together. I like how it mixes up and then it'll be like a nice color together with each other. Be a nice mixture. So then I'm gonna use this dark blue. No, I'm supposed to use white. A lot of white. A lot this time, guys. This is going to be a lot. Okay. That's a lot. That's enough. Then I'm going to add some blue. It does not need to be the way. Actually, I'm not going to make it the way they made it. I'm about to make it my own way. It's good to make it your own way. It's not. I mean, it's good to make it their way, but it's really good to make it your own. I spilled a little bit of these granules. It's really messy. Now I'm gonna make my own way, so move that to the side. I like this color a lot, so I'm gonna add more of this color. Making a big mess. Add a little bit more white. I really need to add more of this blue right here. Okay, it's enough white for now. This is going to be a messy activity for KN8 videos. Really, I'm probably gonna have enough for if we make this next time, guys. I really love this. I'm gonna use all this light blue. It's very nice. I love it. It's not really showing too much. Not really showing too much. Like the dark blue. Not really showing. It's like a whitish color, so it's not really showing too much. There's actually small lines of it. I'm gonna use more blue this time because I'm really getting high on the blue. I need to sprinkle it everywhere, but swirl, swirl, swirl. This is gonna be like a nice color to detail. White. Let's add some white to it. I'm probably gonna add more of this dark color. That's enough of the dark color. I don't want it to bend the leaf. So really, I think they used it all. I don't know. This is my best color I ever had in my life, even though it's gone. It's a little bit more left, so I'm trying to get everything out of here. Since I already used it all, it wouldn't be bad for it to still be stuff in it. And I probably won't use too much of that dark blue because I'm halfway at the top already. Yeah, actually. I could use the rest of the light blue because this leech is long. And this is gonna be a nice color. Yeah, the leek is long though. It's gonna be like a long color scented stuff. This is crushing. This is hard. Okay. I like mixing the colors so it'll be like a detail in it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so that's really all of it, I think. Once I add the rest of this. Okay, I'm gonna add the rest of that. Got rid of all that. Shake it. You can make it your own style. You can make it these styles, but it's my style that I made. I was about to follow the instructions, but I kept swirling it around. Oh, I actually made a design right there, and then I never seen it. Right there, it's like white, blue, white, like lightish green, blue, white, blue, white. It's actually a nice design there. Okay, there we go. And that's how you make a candle. But one more thing before we start. Let's get all our mess. I'm going to skip this part. And we're back after cleaning the table after all that mess. We're going to have a special guest light the candle. And I think he's about to be coming right now. And he is about to be here now. So, these are my YouTubers, and they want you to light the candle. And here it is, our candle lit, and it's going to be the best candle. Thank you for watching. Bye.